Good morning children. Welcome back to session number 36. We are continuing our chapter number 6, the organ systems in our body. And we have learned that our body is made up of cells, and group of cells will make a tissues, and group of tissues will form an organ. And all the organs will form an organ system. This is what we have learned in the previous class. About the circulatory system we have learned, right? About the heart we have learned now. Now today we are going to learn about the breathing system. The breathing system. This is one more system that is present in our body. The breathing system. You breathe in air every second. Therefore, page number 241. When I am reading, please follow the textbook and you have to read along with me. You breathe in air every second. What is that we are breathing through our nose? Each and every second we are breathing the air now, like this. We are breathing air and we are giving off carbon dioxide. You take in air through your nose. But where does the air go from here? You are taking air through the nose. But from again where it is going? It passes through the windpipe and reach your lungs. So, here the two holes in our nose are called as nostrils. Okay, through these holes we are taking the air. After going into the nose, they are passing into the trachea. This is called as windpipe. This is also called as windpipe or trachea. Okay, and the nose, the windpipe and the lungs make up the trachea. So the nose, here the what is involving in breathing system? Nose, windpipe and lungs. Where are the lungs? After this it is divided into in this shape. So the lungs are present here. So the nose, the windpipe and the lungs. These three parts will make up the breathing system. What are they in the breathing system? Nose, windpipe. Once again I am reading everything two times. And lungs. All these three will make up the breathing system. This is about the breathing system. You can see in the picture here the lungs, and this is called as a foot pipe. Sorry, windpipe. Now the skeletal system. This is about the breathing system. Now we are going to look at the skeletal system. Press. Now next system is about skeletal system. S-K-E-E-L. This is about the skeletal system. Press the different parts of your body. You can feel something hard inside. These hard parts are your bones. So do you have bones in your body? Yes. Where do you find bones in our body? Near your elbow, near the hand, even in the fingers, right? Even on the nose, your cheeks, and on the chin. Wherever you press like this, you will feel something hard, right? And this hard part is called as bones. All the bones in your body together form the skeleton. When all the different bones are joined together, it is called as the skeleton. So here different types of bones are there. You can see the skeleton in your book. So here these are called as rib cage, rib bones. Near the chest, under the chest, these are the bones. And here where you sit, this is called as pelvic girdle and pelvis. Here also we are having the bones, thigh bones, knees and toes. So all these contains the bones right from the head. And here head also it is called as skull. So like this our our body is totally made up of the bones. Right from head to the toes, we are having the bones. So these bones all together work together, joined together, and it is called as skeleton. Overall, this is called as skeleton. What does the skeleton do? The skeleton gives shape and support to your body. The skeleton will give you shape to the body. We are not like animals, no. We are different. We are having different shape and structure. We are not like birds. Birds and animals are also having different shape and structure, no? That is because of the skeleton. Our skeleton is like this, so our body is having a different shape. Without skeleton, you will be shapeless and formless mass of flesh. If skeleton is not there, we will be not having any shape. The skeleton also protects all the organs inside your body. Inside our body, we are having heart, lungs, liver, different types of parts are there in our body that we cannot see outside. Local manaki vere parts like heart and lungs. So these heart and lungs are protected by the skeleton. If skeleton is not there, you will get damage to the internal organs. Like when you are traveling on a bike, our parents are wearing the helmet. If helmet is not there, what happens? Your head will get injured when you fall down. So in the same way, the skeleton is protecting like a helmet to the internal organs. When you fall down, immediately you are getting hurt on the outer part of your body. That is on the skin, on the bones, you are getting the damage. If the skeleton is not there, immediately when you fall down, your heart will get the damage. So this skeleton is acting like a helmet. It is giving protection to the internal organs of our body. There are 206 bones in our body. How many bones are there in our body? 206 bones are there in our body. In an adult body, when you are grown up. We are grown up now. So, we are having 206 bones. And again, we are having next one, the muscular system. Can you feel the soft parts covering the bones? They are your muscles. Only muscular system is. Muscular system. So can you feel the soft parts covering the bones? They are your muscles. They are attached to the bones. They help you to move the different parts of your body. All of the muscles of your body together form the muscular system. So the bone is covered with the muscles, both sides. Now in hand you are having the bone. But what is there that when you touch it feels soft? Here the bone is not there, no? Under the skin. Beneath the skin there is a soft tissue. It is called as a muscle. And this muscle is both sides of the bone. It covers the bones and they help you to move the different body parts. Like you are able to move the hand. Why? Because this bone is attached to the muscle and this muscle is having elasticity capacity. That means it is able to stretch when it is able to contract and relax. Now we are able to move the hand with the help of the muscles. Even when I am speaking, here my jaw is moving now. So this is also because of the muscle. So this system is called as muscular system. Muscular system contains muscles. It contains muscles. You can see in the picture here, these are called as the muscles. So today we have learned about the muscular system, skeletal system, breathing system. Remaining digestive system, excretory system, nervous system, reproductive system, this all tomorrow we will be learning. And today I am going to give you homework, 2 question answers that you have to learn and write one time. Okay, what is your first question? What is an organ system? Today's homework, question number 1. What is an organ system? What is an organ system? A group of organs make organ system. A group of organs make a organ system. system. This is your first question and answer. Next question. What makes up your circulatory system? What makes up your circulatory system? What makes up your circulatory system? The heart, the blood, the blood and the blood vessels. The heart, the blood and the blood vessels make up the circulatory system. So only these three you can write. So your homework, learn and write these questions. These question and answers one time. And send homework to. Yesterday I told you already. Send homeworks to this particular number to Hindi teacher. What is an organ system? A group of organs make a organ system. What makes up the circulatory system? The heart, the blood and the blood vessels. So only two questions. Learn and write one time neatly and send homeworks to this particular number. Thank you children.